Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the preview is compatible with your Windows build and that you're enrolled in the correct preview channel. Once done, make sure your Microsoft account is synced and critical files are backed up to OneDrive. This avoids data lost during early builds. Next, open Settings or the Microsoft Store to trigger the preview install. You'll see prompts for permissions and optional features. Follow them, accept any restarts, and move to the next phase once the initial components are installed. You now configure the preview's experimental options and services to match your workflow. Start by enabling needed features in settings and disable anything that causes instability. Then update drivers through Device Manager. Previews are sensitive to driver mismatches, so choose WHQL or vendor-recommended builds. Once configured, test core apps and workflows and use the Feedback Hub to file reproducible bug reports, include steps, logs, and screenshots. This helps Microsoft prioritize fixes and gives you insight into known issues to watch for. Finish by rebooting and validating that your system restore point or image is current. This ensures you can revert if needed. You should validate performance and app compatibility. If a major problem appears, use settings to roll back to the previous build or restore from your image. If something prevents normal startup, boot into safe mode to remove faulty drivers or recent updates. Finally, document the issue and submit detailed feedback. This speeds resolution and helps you decide whether to stay on the preview or return to the stable channel.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.